Hi guys, hope you're well. I wanted to do a quick video because I've got one spot left for the converting ClickBank funnel set up for you with all of the traffic included, and I wanted to run through here so there's no confusion on exactly how it works and why it works so well. And you can also use this for any funnel. So ClickBank is just an affiliate marketplace of products. You could use this for your own products. You could use this for any affiliate network where it's an info product. It works in exactly the same way, and my aim with this video is to explain to you in 5 minutes the actual workings of it and why it works so well and how you can do the same. If you want the whole thing set up for you, do check out the link below. I've put it in the description below. I've only got one spot left, and you get a red hot niche picked for you that will convert with high payouts, the complete funnel built for you with everything set up and all of it automated. And this is the big one, all of the traffic done for you so you can start making sales. That's a big problem. When you get all this stuff done and sending traffic, it can cause a big problem because it's hard work. But with this service, you get the whole thing done for you. You also get a rock solid guarantee. You make sales as shown in the video above. So you can watch this video as well to see more in depth about it. But you make sales as shown. And if you don't, I'll make you another 30 videos plus carry on until you're making sales. So there's no way that you can lose. I'm actually going to show you that today. And this is the main thing that you get from it. Yes, you get a funnel that will actually be built and make you money, but the main thing you get from it is that you will know how to do this, and it's probably one of the most valuable things that you can learn online. If you're looking to make money with your own products, with affiliate products, it's probably one of the most valuable things you can learn. You also get Project Emergency Cash for free, which will show you exactly how to do it step by step so you can set up funnels yourself. And another big one is you get done for you Facebook ads. I'll give you the Facebook ads to use and all of the copy and all of the images to use and so on, and the targeting as well. So all you have to do is set it up once you're making money, because this traffic thing I'm doing for you will actually make you money, and then you can use some of that money for Facebook ads to make the whole thing automated. So I'm really excited about this. The reason I'm doing this at discount is because I'm looking for testimonials. So if you want to be one of the people that get in first at half price, grab the final spot. I've put the link below. If you're watching on Facebook, you'll find the link in the box and in the comments section. And what I also wanted to do, as I said at the start of the video, is just explain really simply in less than 5 minutes how it works. So here we go. This will be really valuable to you if you're looking to make money with ClickBank. So the first thing, there's only 3 things you need to make sales, as I've said a lot, but it's really important. You need a niche area where people have a problem. You need communication with them, and then you need targeting. Okay, so let's look at the 3 areas. You need a really good niche, and the way to sum it up, whether it's a good niche, is the problem that they're suffering. Okay, the problem that they're going through. The bigger the problem, the more urgent it needs to be fixed, the better the niche. Okay, so just a few points on that. You shouldn't run away from competition. You should go for a niche where there's a huge urgent problem, the bigger the better, and then solve it. Little disclaimer or little thing worth noting, you have to make sure the product's good as well. Okay, so whatever you're selling, whether it's as an affiliate or your own products, you have to make sure that it's good. That goes without saying. I'm assuming that you know that. You can't just, it's not just about making sales and sort of getting people through to a product that's horrible. You want to make sure that the product actually offers value, and the value is it actually helps them with their problem. Okay, so assuming that you've got your niche area, that's what you're aiming for with a niche area. Now the big one in terms of the communication, this is what you want to do. You want to build up rapport with the people that you're targeting. I'll talk about targeting in just a second and how to target them, but you want to build up rapport. One of the biggest mistakes people make when they promote affiliate products is they just go and grab the most popular one and they do a few YouTube videos, or they do a few slideshows, or they get software and blast their link all around the web. And I'm not knocking that. It's okay to try when you're getting started, but chances are you're not going to make any money, or you're going to make a sale here and there. Okay, because look at it. If you want to understand how to make sales, look at yourself. Look at yourself. So if you're watching this, I'm willing to bet that chances are you've purchased something online to do with online marketing at some point. Okay, and when you're purchasing yourself, did you just watch a YouTube video that was just, and you didn't know the person at all, and you never heard of them, and you just purchased something? Maybe, okay, there is, of course, there's validity in that. That can happen. But you as the marketer, if you flip that round and you're paying for the ads, or you're the one doing the video, you're going to get really low conversion rate. In fact, I can tell you the standard conversion rate from doing that is about 1 in 100, 1%. Okay, so 1% will buy, as long as it's half targeted, 1% will buy straight from the sales page. So if we sent them through to this one, I just picked this product out to show you because it's a really, really big problem, high blood pressure. But if we sent targeted traffic, people that have got high blood pressure, through to this page, 1% or more will buy. Now you may find, because it's online and it's sales, you may find that the conversion rate is better than that. But on an average, you don't want to go like spending money on ads and just send them straight through to the sales page. You just don't, unless you already had a huge following in the blood pressure niche in this case. Then they already know you. But if they don't know you, you're starting out from scratch, it's very, very important that you build rapport. And how do you do that? So I've got on the screen here, this is an example funnel, and this is where you get into funnels, but I want to keep this really, really simple. The only purpose of a funnel is to offer value and sell the product, okay? But here's the thing, you should put, let's say we had a weighing machine and like a percentage term, okay? You want to put 80% value in there and 20% sales, and not the other way around. So having an email list, you know, when you hear people say, oh, the money's in the list, it's really not. I've seen people over the years, I've been working online for nearly 15 years now, and I've seen people with massive email lists not do very well at all. Because just having an email list full of people that don't know you, and you just sort of collected it some way, or having a sort of system that collects emails, and then of course with the new GDPR rules and so on, they're closing that down. It doesn't mean that you can't have an email list, it means that they have to know you and they have to have actually opted in, and like double opt-in and all that stuff. So the great thing is, what that means, it's not a bad thing, it means you can make really good money off small email lists, as long as you focus on actually helping them. So I'll give you an example really, really quickly. The communication that you have with them, let's say you have a email opt-in and you say something like this: enter your name and email below and I will send you a 5-day course that shows you exactly how you can improve your blood pressure and lower it without any medical treatment. Okay, a little disclaimer, I don't know anything about it at all. I'm just sort of giving you ideas here. I don't know anything about the blood pressure niche or anything like that, apart from research that I've sort of done in the niche, but I'm not medical or anything. But I'm just saying to you, let's say they opt in for that email course, okay? So they opt in. Then what you want to do, once they opt in, what you want to do is start sending them help, okay? So they opt in here, and email one, you're actually giving them something of value, and that means giving them actual help, something that they can use, not just an email that says one of the best ways to lower your blood pressure is to breathe deeply, now buy this product if you want more. And that sounds funny, but that's what a lot of people do. What you really want to do is go all out on the help and give them as much help as possible. And the only pitch you're doing for the product at this point, email 2, email 3, email 4, is a subtle pitch at the end where you say, check out this product, and it will show you this, and it will show you this, and it will show you this. But if you lump in huge value in these emails, they're not going to mind the subtle pitch. Or some people will. You always get people that unsubscribe, but you're going to build up rapport with them, and you're going to build up, and you can also do other things like actually ask questions in your emails and saying, you know, what is your blood pressure? What are you looking to do? How long have you had high blood pressure? And so on. Okay, so you're focusing fully on helping. So the reason I'm telling you that is because it doesn't matter too much how you word your emails. There's no secret subject line that will get people to, before they know you, you want to focus on the help. Of course, you want to look up like subject lines and how to write them to get a good open rate. I'm not saying there's no validity in that. I'm saying that don't agonize too much over the messaging. Just make it yourself, make it your personality, and focus on the help. Look at it this way. I'll explain it really. Let me give you an analogy, okay? Let's say that you saw this guy that was really stunk. Really, bear with me, but really stunk. You didn't want to go near him. Terrible. You couldn't get near him. But he said to you, I can show you today in the next 5 minutes how to make $1 million. But you're going to have to come with me, and you're going to have to give me a big cuddle as we go along here, because otherwise I won't show you. And if you knew that was true, you'd hug him all day long. And you'd go along with him, and you'd go like, where's the million? And he'd show you, and everything would... So people, the reason, that's a bit of a bad analogy, but the reason I'm showing you is people don't really mind how you write and your spelling and all of that stuff. At least that's what I've found in nearly 15 years. What they're looking for is the value that you offer, and the way you stand out, the way you stand out and the way you make sales is by offering massive value first, okay? And then when you get down here, when you've done like 4 emails here packed with value, maybe videos, maybe webinars, really good stuff, I'm not on about sales stuff, then you can do a main offer pitch. And then you don't make it too salesy. You can sort of pull it together by saying, look, you've been through 4 days. Let me know if you had any questions. Did you try out the techniques in the video? How are you getting on? Did it lower your blood pressure? And I'd like to tell you about this offer. And that's it. And it's all percentages. And a percent will buy. Okay? Better than 1%. If you've offered massive value here, that's how it works. And what you've done then is you've got a higher percent of people that buy, maybe 12, 13, 14%, depending on the sales page, depending on the product. And then you've got the start of a business. And then all you need to do is keep getting people to opt in. And there's so many different ways of doing that. I'll just show you one of them. So in terms of free traffic, like YouTube, what you want to do, really important, is you want to target specifically who you want to talk to. So we've spoken about the funnel and we've spoken about the offer, but where do you find the people? They're all over the internet, okay? But what you have to do is, again, have value that you're offering for free, even before they opt in, that will get them to pay attention. So look at this, yoga exercises for high blood pressure, 1 million views. How many people do you reckon watch this video that don't have high blood pressure? There will be some that are just sort of surfing the internet and looking up stuff, or maybe had it suggested, but the majority of those 1 million will have high blood pressure, and they're your target market in this case. So all you need to do is focus on the value. You need to focus on the value that you're offering, and stay away from like fast techniques to blast your website round, and actually do it properly. And I hope you got value from this video. That is, in 15 years, nearly 15 years, I think it's 15 years this year, that is the thing that's made me more money than anything else. I've got over 2,500 videos on YouTube, and all of them offer value. Some people might not think so. You know, not everyone's going to like your videos and so on. I'm not saying that, but you try your best, you offer value, you really try and help with whatever problem, whether it's high blood pressure, or whether it's losing weight, or whether it's how to jump higher in basketball, or whatever the product is, it doesn't matter. You have to offer real value. The problem is that you'll see a lot of stuff with like slideshows going out and automated videos that get created, or maybe an automated video with a robot voice. And I'm not knocking that. It makes it easier because you don't have to do videos, and you don't have to do funnels, and you don't have to do any of this hard stuff. But essentially, where do you end up? You know, if you put on YouTube and you look at someone's video and that robot voice starts, I guarantee that you probably just switch straight off it. Whereas if you click on a video and it doesn't even need to be, look at this one here, I'll just show you.
Pressure, put your feet in warm water for 5.
I'm not going to leave it playing because that would be really boring. But this person here doesn't, to my knowledge, even show their face. Okay, they just got their feet in water telling you how to lower blood pressure. And look at the views. Grandmother tricks, takes minutes to lower blood pressure, and they're actually showing in this particular niche, and they're not even showing their face, and they're not doing a big presentation, and the video itself is 1 minute and 41. So if you had a website that shows people how to lower blood pressure like this one, like this sales page here, so that's actually a product that shows you how to lower blood pressure, and you've got this here and you've got that many views and you've done a 2-minute video. And I'm not saying that all your YouTube videos will get that many views, but what I am saying is if you focus on just adding value and putting the opt-in here, so you're just focused on adding value and you actually get it set up, and as you're sending traffic across Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, you're offering real value. And it doesn't have to be massive 20-minute videos. It can be done in 2 or 3 minutes. 3 simple tips that you can use to lower blood pressure, and then you go into it. Tip number 1, tip number 2, tip number 3. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more help, check out the link below and you'll be able to opt in for a free 5-day course that will show you how to lower your blood pressure and go more into detail. That's it. And you can make more money doing that than sort of messing around with stuff that blasts. You have to do it properly though. So I hope that made sense. I wanted to make it really, really simple. If you want the whole thing done for you, I have got 1 spot left. And what I've just spoken about is exactly what I do for you. I pick you the niche to make sure it will convert. So I look at the sales page and make sure it will convert. I build the complete funnel for you, built with everything so it's all automated and ready to go. And I do all that traffic stuff for you. So like what I've shown you on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, I do all of the videos for you. And what happens is it sends a huge amount of traffic that's actually targeted, and that's how you make money. You get people into your list and you make money, and I've actually guaranteed it, because that is essentially how anyone online is making money. It's just a niche, it's just an offer, and it's knowing where to get the traffic. And the other way you can do it is paid ads, and I actually help you with that. So you can see here, done for you Facebook ads. I actually, this is the way I suggest doing it. We do it like this. We build the funnel, we get traffic, we make sales, then we put some of the money back into Facebook ads, and I set that all up for you. I give you the Facebook ads to use. I do the images to use for the Facebook ads. I do the copy to use on the Facebook ads. So all you need to do is send them live, and the cool thing is we will already have built up a good customer avatar, because we have the Facebook pixel in your pages, so they'll be collecting information that we can use to retarget the same people on Facebook and then branch out from there. So I'd love to do it with you. If this video made sense, if you enjoyed it, grab the last spot, because this is going up. There's 50% off at the minute, but I've put the link below in the description, and if you're watching on Facebook, you'll find it in the comments and in the box as well. And I enjoyed making it for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up if you did, if it made sense. My purpose with this video is to make this simpler, because so many people struggle with it, and it's just exactly what I've said in the video. If you can do that, you can make money, as long as you know how to target the niche, how to pick a good product, how to talk to them, and you can actually offer value in the niche, and how to get traffic. Okay, so I'd love to work with you on it, and I'll speak to you really, really soon. Cheers, guys.